What's up, YouTube family? Chad Bennett here, your Make Money Online coach. Today, I am super excited. I'm going to be teaching you about some very simple micro tasks that you can start doing online. This is 100% legit. This can be done worldwide in almost every single country in the world, so make sure that you're paying attention all the way through. There's a lot of fine little details that you want to make sure you're paying attention to, so watch till the very end. Also, if you are brand new to this channel, make sure that you come over here, smash this subscribe box right here. If you like videos like this, make sure that you hit this bell notification. That way you are notified immediately, because I am coming out with weekly videos every single week, at least 2 to 3 videos every single week, teaching you the best methods to make money online. Also, if you're unfamiliar about what we talk about on this channel, it's primarily how to make money online. I throw in some marketing, some mindset, and motivational videos. And also, if you're anything like me and you're an entrepreneur and you want to generate some insane amount of money online where you can actually get a life of freedom and fire your boss, you want to make sure you pay attention right here where it says passive income and it has this arrow. Follow this down to where it says learn how to make money online. That is my #1 recommendation to start generating an insane amount of money online. This is what I'm doing to generate primarily money online. Also, make sure that you come through, check out all these videos. If this isn't the one for you, I've got a ton of great content that I've posted here teaching you the best methods to make money online. So without further ado, let's jump on into this video and see what I got for you today. So first things first, before we get too deep into this video, I want to be very honest and clear that you are not going to get rich with this method of making money online. However, it is a great way to start generating some instant cash online. This is real. This is 100% legit. It can be done worldwide with most of these websites. We're going to be talking about 5 of them today. But however, like I said, if you want to generate some insane amount of money online, make sure that you check out my #1 recommendation down in the description. I've left a link down there for you. So let's check this one out. This is the first website we're going to be talking about. This one is called Coworkers.com. I will leave a link to this website down in the description as well, so you can click on that. It will bring you directly to the website that we're looking at right here, right now. So once you arrive at this website, I want you to first take notice that these are very small, simple little micro tasks that you're going to be doing, and you're going to be getting paid small amounts of money to do this. However, it's very simple to do this. A lot of these tasks take maybe 1 to 3 minutes to complete. So right up here at the top, just to point this out, where it says workers right here in green, it kind of gives a description of exactly what's happening here. You're going to browse their small jobs. You're going to select the jobs that you like, that are appealing to you. You're going to finish the tasks that are required by the employer. You're going to submit proof, and then you're going to earn the amount of money that they put for that task. So let's take a look. And now I want to point this out as well. It says that you get paid immediately after the task is reviewed, rather than waiting for a month. So you get paid immediately. I think that's really cool. You don't have to wait around for your money. So let's very quickly just take a look at some of these tasks, the work that they have actually published on this website. This stuff is very simple, you guys. This is mostly just signing up for websites, installing applications, signing up for gift cards, stuff like that. So let's just look at a few of them that they have here. This one is creating a Gmail account. You can get paid 8 cents for signing up for a Gmail account. Everyone needs email. You might as well do it anyways. Get paid 8 cents for that. They have an offer here for a Visa gift card. Sign up for a Visa gift card, get 24 cents. Some of the application ones here, install this Android app, download, install, 14 cents for that. Another one for downloading and installing an app, 21 cents. Sign up for some sweepstakes every month, earn 16 cents. Here you can win a Walmart gift card just for signing up. You get 45 cents, and it's possible that you could win a Walmart gift card. So a lot of these are very similar. Some of them are like going on YouTube and liking and commenting on videos. So a lot of small little micro tasks. A lot of these can be done in 1 to 3 minutes. So if you start doing these very quickly, you can actually generate some real decent cash here. How many of these do you think you could sign up for in an hour and actually generate probably 20-30 bucks in an hour? I think it's possible. And you want to make sure that you sign up for all 5 of these websites. That way, if you go through all the tasks that they have on one, you can jump to another one and start completing the tasks that they have available on there as well. One other thing I wanted to point out on PicoWorkers.com is they have various payment options to actually withdraw the money that you've earned. They have Visa, MasterCard, American Express, Discover. They pay you in Bitcoin. They'll pay you in PayPal. They'll pay you in all kinds of different cryptocurrencies. So that is really cool stuff. And like I said, this is worldwide, you guys. This is so simple to do. Also, real quickly, before we leave this page, if there's anything that I missed, anything that doesn't make any sense, make sure that you come down to the bottom of the page here. They have an FAQ, Frequently Asked Questions tab. You can click on that. They'll go into more detail and answer any questions that you may have. I'm not going to go over these because you can click on that and go into further detail if that is something that sounds appealing to you. Let's go ahead and check out the next website. This will be the second website that we're going to be looking at here. And like I said, all of these are very, very similar. They have very similar little micro tasks that you're going to be doing. So this next website is called rapidworkers.com. Very, very similar to Coworkers, just like I said. But looking at their website here, if you want to get signed up for this one, you're going to click right up here over on the side where it says sign up now. I just want to point out some things on their website. We'll just review it real quickly here. It says that workers are happy and compensated promptly. So these guys are paying almost immediately as well. I do want to point out over here on the side where it says workers sign up and they browse micro jobs. They select the jobs that they like. They finish the task, submit the proof, and then they earn money, and then much more. And so just looking right here in the middle, they have some examples of some of the tasks, micro tasks that they have that you can actually do and get compensated for. So it shows you the available tasks, the amount that you're gonna get paid, and then the approximate time that they expect that it's gonna take you to complete it. So if you see right here, a lot of these are 1 to 5 minute tasks. So very, very simple little tasks. This one here at the top is, to vote for a YouTube video, follow somebody on Twitter, fill out an insurance form, create a Gmail account again, play an online game or sign up for it, 20 cents for that. Upload 5 photos to a site, you can get 39 cents for that. What else do they got here? Over here, follow somebody on Twitter. So a lot of the same stuff happening here. Very, very simple little easy things that you can do and start generating real money online. Real quickly here before we leave this page, I just wanted to show you the different payment methods that these guys are paying. They're paying in PayPal cash. They'll send it directly to your bank account, MasterCard, or Visa as well. And then again, right down here at the bottom, they have a frequently asked questions tab. So if there's anything more you want more detail on, you can click on that. It'll bring you to their frequently asked questions page and you can get those questions answered. Now this next website is called Amazon Mechanical Turk, and this is 100% my favorite micro task website. This is through Amazon, so obviously it is 110% legit, you guys. Amazon is huge, very, very reputable. They have an access on global, on demand, 24/7 workforce, and you can get signed up by doing this, by clicking this link right here. And this is so similar to the micro tasks that are happening on Coworkers and Rapid Workers as well. But you'll be doing it through Amazon, and Amazon is actually paying more money than these other websites to accomplish these tasks. There's actually an individual I know that's actually making close to full-time income just by signing up with Amazon Mechanical Turk and actually doing all the micro tasks and stuff that they have available on this website. So one quick thing I do want to point out here about Amazon Mechanical Turk is that it is not available in every single country. However, it is available in a lot. I believe it's around 53. If we come over here and take a look, they are available in all these countries that you see right here. So the today's requesters from 43 countries can sign up for Amazon Mechanical Turk. So they have Australia, Japan, Hong Kong, New Zealand. I mean, just look at the list here. There's a lot of countries. So this work is available in a lot of different countries. And they also posted a new blog post showing 10 more countries that it's actually available in. So if you're living in Australia, Germany, Norway, Poland, United Kingdom, anything like that, anything that falls on this list, you can participate in Amazon Mechanical Turks. And this is, like I said, you guys, this is my #1 recommendation for these micro tasks. Make sure that you get signed up for Amazon if you're considering doing this, because this is the #1 spot to be doing this if it's available in your country. So very quickly here, I wanted to run you through 2 more websites. These websites are 100% legit as well. And make sure that you sign up for all 5 of these websites. That way, if there's not work on one of them, you can jump to the next one and keep yourself busy and keep yourself working and earning money and putting as much money in your pocket as possible. Now, one of the things I wanted to point out on this one, we're at clickworker.com, and I will leave a link in the description to this website as well. But I wanted to quickly come down the page here and point out just a few things. They have over 1.8 million click workers. They're located in 136 countries, so practically worldwide here. They have extensive experience, over 13 years of microtask experience, and successfully completed over 1 million projects. So that's a lot of stuff going on here. And then I also wanted to point out that they're trusted by like Honda, T-Mobile, some very, very big reputable brands. Now this next one is called microworkers.com. And again, I'll leave a link in the description. But if you come through here, they have a ton of different little micro tasks. All these ones that you're seeing right here are all the different little micro tasks that you can do. You can be a message labeler, a transcriber. You can match destinations, annotate words of emotion. What else do they got on here? Tweet emotions. So tweets may have very different impacts on readers. Use this template to annotate emotions from your given tweet link. So you're going on there and annotating different tweets. So very, very simple little stuff going on here. You can take surveys. Like I said, I don't want to spend too much time on this, but a lot of the same stuff is happening on this one as well. So make sure that you check these out. These are all 100% legit. So that's all I have for you today, YouTube family. Go out there, start applying these methods, sign up for these 5 websites, start doing these micro tasks, and start earning some extra cash. However, like I said, if you're like me and you're an entrepreneur at heart and you want life-changing results where you're making insane amount of money online, if that sounds appealing to you and you want a life of freedom where you can quit your actual job, make sure that you check out this link below. My #1 recommendation that I recommend for creating an income online. Directly beneath this video in the description, I've left a link for you, chadbennettlive.com. You can click on that right there, and that's where you'll get started with that. Also, again, if you're not subscribed to this channel, please make sure that you subscribe. Click this bright red subscribe box. Click the bell notification. That way you're notified immediately when I come out with new content. And don't forget to smash that thumbs up. Give me a like if you find any valuable content in this video. It helps to grow my channel, helps get this content out to as many people as possible. And last but not least, I'm always extremely grateful for every like that I get. So that's all I have for you today. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.